Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align numbering list in publisher document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a publisher document and take some numbered list. Now we want to align this number list in this publisher document. Firstly click the page, then click and drag on our mouse to select the number list. Then go to the home menu and click the alignment option. Now I select the center align and we can see we align this number list on center. You can align right or left. Now I align the right. Now we can see we align numbering list in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.